So, should you make a YouTube video when you really don't have the time to make a really good high quality video, when you really haven't had much time to think through the content of what you even want to say in the video? Should you make a YouTube video anyway because you have yourself on a schedule, whether every single day or several times a week? Should you go ahead and make a video anyway? No, you shouldn't. That's not the best strategy. The best strategy is to release high quality videos regardless of what your schedule is. It doesn't matter how often you say that you've told your channel that you need to make videos or put videos on your channel. It doesn't matter how many videos you've told yourself that you want to release per year. The best strategy if you want to grow on YouTube is to release high quality videos, even if they're very infrequent videos. Now, that being said, if you know that you can't, accomplish that, it's better to make videos even if they're not of the highest quality than to not make videos at all. Because if you put yourself on I'm gonna make videos every so often kind of schedule, then it's gonna end up not being done. But if you tell yourself, I'm gonna make a video even if it's not ready yet, even if it's not perfect, then all of a sudden, if you have yourself on that schedule, if you're telling yourself, I'm gonna release something even if it's not good enough by other people's standards, then that's gonna force yourself to get better and better over time, and therefore your channel will grow eventually, even if your videos aren't great at first. And the thing is, I've been all over the place when it comes to this topic. Not too long ago, I said, yeah, upload every single day, because that's gonna lead to you getting some traction, and especially if you're making longer videos, then it'll lead to more watch hours, and you can't get views unless you're posting consistently, and all that is true to a degree. But I've also flip-flopped and said, I told myself I'm ready to go to the next level. I'm ready to start focusing more on higher quality videos and releasing a video not every single day, and that's definitely the better strategy. But I also found out in the process that I'm just not there yet. And you have to be honest with yourself to say, am I going to commit to making that better video, or do I just need to commit to making videos right now? So it's better in the long run to only release super good videos, and even if they're infrequent, to work on a video every day, to make progress every day, and to say, I'm going to make this channel, these videos better and better and better. But if you're not there yet, it's better to just start where you're at. Start messy, kick fear in the face, as they say. Start imperfect and get better as you go. Sometimes that better might just be minuscule updates, better speaking, better thinking through as you're speaking, until you get yourself to the point that, yes, you've made all the progress you possibly can by posting every day and your speaking ability and all that kind of stuff. It's probably better to post more frequently rather than less frequently, so that you can get all the reps in and make your channel and your videos better and better. Hey, take all of this with a grain of salt, because I'm definitely not an expert. I'm still learning as I go, but if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.